Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price of natural gas from 2012, we can see a range has formed. Okay, and this particular 2011 to 2014 we have seen an upside, and after that we have seen a fall. Okay, till 2016, and from there we have seen it was in this particular range for quite some time. And now if we look at from 2021, March of 2021, we have seen that it is moving an upside, and it's quite a volatile the price of natural gas. See, look at the price, it made a high of around 6.5.68, and then we have seen a fall to a level of 3.4. that means a 50% fall. After that we have seen again a rise, and that is around 200% rise we have seen, and made a high of around 8.131, and then further upside we can see if the level of 8 sustained. Okay, now before that, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical and natural gas and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Suppose, and if you have seen my video, I've already told you that once this particular high is touched, and we have seen if it goes below a level of 7.4, we can see it can touch a level of 6.5. You can check my previous video. I have already told you 6.9 is a strong support. If it goes below that level, we can see a level of 6.5. You can see now it is currently trading at 6.5. Now suppose what we can see, a pattern is forming. You have to understand something. Suppose if a resistance goes upside, and this particular, first it was a resistance, now it has moved down, now it's become a strong support. So what we can see, a bounce back we can see at this particular level. Okay, so this is the same level, we have seen a bounce back, and this is the strong support. Previously it was a strong resistance, now it is a strong support. So keep this in mind. We can see a pullback from this particular level. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it's trading at around 6.91. Suppose if that particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 7. If that particular level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 7.293, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 7.678. And suppose if the price sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 7.903, and from there we can see it can move further upside. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, because market is uncertain, you never know if it can break this particular level. But as of from my point of view, if we can see a bounce back from this particular level, suppose if it breaks this particular level, we can see it can come down to a level of 6.363, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 6.075. and if it goes below that level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 5.947, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 5.722. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.498, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 5.305. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.177, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 5.049. and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 4.760, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 4.504. Okay, and once the price goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 4.181 also. Again I repeat, if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 7.390, and from there we can see it can move further upside and can touch its all-time high also. But suppose if all-time high of this particular 10 to 13 year of high. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 6.363, and from there we can see a level of 6.27. and suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a strong support at around 5.690, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 5.337. Once if it falls below 5.337, then we can see a level of 4.507, and from there we can see it can move to a level of 4.022. Once this particular level sustain and goes below this level, then we can see it can move to a level of 3.509, and from there we can see it can further low towards a level of 4, and then can come to a level of 3.060. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, because we can see an uptrend, but this particular level, it's already made a high. We can see a bounce back from this level, and now this strong support, then we can see a pullback from this particular level. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.